His Excellency, Chief Olusegun Obasanjo, Ph.D., GCFR, the former President of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, proclaims willingness to be inducted as an honorary member of Ohanaeze Ndigbo worldwide. This was one of the highlights of the 85th birthday ceremonies of the Awu-born retired Army General and the Titan of the modern time. The declaration for an honorary membership status was made when a delegation of Ohanaeze Ndigbo led by Ambassador Oki Emeche, MFR, the Secretary-General, visited him at the Olusegun Obasanjo Presidential Library, Abeokuta, Ogun State on Friday, March 4, 2022. Other members of the delegation include the former President General of Ohanaeze Ndigbo, Prince Uwagarawi, National Publicity Secretary, Chidozie Alex Ogbonya, Ohanaeze Chieftain, Endears-memorial, Bishop Dr. Sunday Enonooha, founder and president of Vision for Africa, and Chief Emeka Uddim, President, Ohanaeze Ndigbo, Anambra State Chapter. Others include Mazi Ambrose Abiaha, Admin Manager, Ohanaeze Ndigbo Secretariat, and Prince Oki Kanu, a Lagos-based business consultant. Ambassador Emeche, in a presentation of an Ohanaeze birthday cake to the octogenarian, expressed that the Igbo remember Chief Obasanjo with deep emotional attachment and have come to demonstrate profound love, gratitude and solidarity with him at 85 on March 5. Emeche recapitulated the sterling and enviable qualities of Obasanjo that stand him out among his peers. Ohanaeze had earlier sent a goodwill message to Obasanjo wherein they record with fresh nostalgia the far-reaching policy that defined the Obasanjo civilian administration, one of which was to hunt Nigerian talents wherever they were found, irrespective of gender, ethnic or religious persuasions. It was such a competence-driven administration that harvested the robust intellect of notable Igbo sons and daughters to the benefit of the entire Nigeria. In addition, Ohanaeze had in the goodwill message commended Obasanjo for his characteristic dispositions for equity and justice, especially as it pertains to the general outcry for the Igbo to produce a Nigerian president in 2023. The visibly elated Baba stated that there are several socio-cultural groups in Nigeria but Ohanaeze Ndigbo worldwide, with such endearing visit, passion and affection, has shown a remarkable difference in his life. He reiterated that this is the first time, as a private citizen, he is playing host to such well-organized socio-cultural body. He therefore expressed his enthusiasm to be admitted as an honorary member of Ohanaeze Ndigbo worldwide. Chief Olusegun Obasanjo, who hits 85 today, March 5, is as fit as a fiddle. As part of the ceremonies to mark the event, a novelty football match was played at the Olusegun Obasanjo Presidential Library football pitch. Obasanjo featured in the match as the captain of his team, and he played true to type as a captain. He played with vigor and dexterity as long as the match lasted, to the admiration of the spectators. Eminent Nigerians and lovers of football including Chief Segun Odegbami watched the thrilling display of an ancient and modern football skills. Other events to mark the ceremony include church service, book presentation and goodwill messages from eminent personalities from all walks of life. The induction of His Excellency, Chief Olusegun Obasanjo as an honorary member of Ohanaeze Ndigbo is expected to take place at the headquarters of Ohanaeze Ndigbo in Enugu in no distant time. Chidozie Alex Ogbonya, National Publicity Secretary, Ohanaeze Ndigbo worldwide.